Hello friends and welcome to Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to find Instagram password and username. So now first of all open your browser, click over here on the right top and click on manage your Google account. From here you will see this menu on the top. You can scroll and click on security. Once you have clicked on security, scroll down unless you see the option for password manager. Here it is. Click on manage passwords. Once you have opened this, over here you will see all the passwords for the apps which you have saved. You can simply search for Instagram or you can click on it and you can see your username and password. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.